Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ankit Parakh and I work as an Associate Director in Pediatric Pulmonology, Allergy and Sleep Medicine at BLK Max Hospital, New Delhi. I previously worked as an Assistant Professor in Pediatric Pulmonology at Kalavati Saran Children's Hospital for 5 years. Now, I'll be teaching a few topics of pulmonology in this series. And what we aim to do is to provide you with some respiratory topics which you would find very useful in your day-to-day clinical practice and in your exams as well. Now, when you read across books, you get a lot of theoretical material, but sometimes you do not get a lot of material which is of practical value. How to deal with a patient when a patient comes to you in an OPD. So the major focus of these lectures, such as office management of a child with asthma, lung function testing, under 5 wheezing in children, how to manage, asthma mimickers, pneumonias, etc. So the format of the talks what we have kept is based on a case-based learning approach. That will help you to understand how to manage a child who presents to you with a particular problem in the OPD. And as you see, respiratory problems are the most commonly sought problem by parents across the world. So as we go across, we learn about the various respiratory problems in clinical practice, and I'm sure you'll gain a lot from this series. So happy learning.